It's Thomas! Wow! Look at him!
In the heart of a forgotten jungle, where vines stretch like time itself and silence has settled for decades, we stumbled upon something unexpected. Beneath layers of moss and fallen leaves, half buried under earth and mystery, there he was, a face we all once knew. Thomas, his iconic shape barely visible, his blue paint faded to gray, his smile cracked, worn by the years. But even in ruin, even in rust, that unmistakable look, innocent, brave, full of wonder, it was still there. We didn't see a wreck. We saw a memory, a piece of childhood, waiting to be saved. And so began the journey, from jungle to rebirth. Back at the garage, the real work began. The grime told stories of rain, of dust, of time lost. We began with the outside. Powerful jets of water peeled away years of neglect. Mud dissolved, rust loosened. Bit by bit, his old colors peeked through, hiding beneath the decay like forgotten laughter. Wire brushes danced across metal, sparks flew, bolts creaked. Then we went inside. Seats torn, frayed, forgotten. Floors layered with dust. Panels dead. Wires disconnected. But with every scrub, every wipe, every pull, Thomas slowly began to breathe again. And we didn't just clean a train. restoration. We stripped him down, frame to axle, screw by screw. What was too far gone, we replaced. What could be saved, we honored. New wheels, new wiring, new life. Inside, new seats were stitched with care. Controls were rebuilt, precise, functional, ready. Then came the moment we all waited for. Paint. Not just any color. Red, bold, proud, full of fire. As the spray gun moved across his frame, Thomas came alive again. His face, cleaned, repainted, reattached, smiled back at us. Not just as a machine, but as a friend returned. Quiet showroom, Thomas stood tall, polished, shining. Visitors came. They smiled, pointed, gasped. But one person, they saw more than a train. They saw joy. They saw history. They saw heart. With a handshake and a signature, Thomas found a new home. Not just to sit and shine, but to ride again. To be part of someone's story. All over again.
Check in progress. All systems optimized and ready for departure.
The tracks shimmered with morning dew, and Thomas rolled forward. Slowly at first, then smoother, faster. Inside, children laughed. They waved through the windows, eyes wide, hearts full. Outside, birds flew alongside. Wind danced over his bright red paint. Every bolt tightened, every wheel turning like it was day one. Through curves, through fields, through echoes of the past. He rolled like a dream in motion. Not just a machine, not just a restoration. A legend, reborn. Thomas is back, and he's better than ever.